Hello to all my YouTube friends. Today we're going to be using trash to create treasure. And what a treasure these elegant and neutral flowers are. These flowers are an easy and fun way to upcycle books that you're planning on tossing or donating. Plus, I'll show you a few ideas on how to use them in your home decor. The first thing I did was search my library for some books that I haven't touched in years. This video is part of the Trash to Treasure collab hosted by Coffee with My Sunshine and Measure and Mix. There will be a playlist with a bunch of other Trash to Treasure videos, so I will make sure to link that playlist below. To Kill a Mockingbird was from a middle school book report, so yeah, this is an old book, but it has those nice yellowed pages. I also picked up a newer one with white pages, and I think having a little tonal variation will give the bouquets some dimension. We'll start by making some little paper flowers that ended up looking like poppies. I started by cutting out some pages in the book. I drew a spiral and then cut that out. I trimmed the ending edge so that the curve came to a smooth end. This is the end that we're going to start wrapping around a pen. When you get to the bottom, you can use a hot glue gun to seal everything in place. I chose to put mine on a bamboo skewer. I found these skewers at Dollar Tree in a pack of 100. You could add a little bead or button to the center, but I left mine without any extras on it. These next ones kind of look like gladiolas or lavender. They even remind me of Texas bluebonnets. And you could use whatever color paper you want. I just wanted to do a really neutral look with these flowers. Start by cutting strips of the book pages. This step is really similar to how I had created one of my denim flowers a couple videos ago. Next, I took one of those bamboo skewers from Dollar Tree and used it to curl each of those paper strips individually. Hey, if you're stopping by my channel for the first time, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate your love and support on my channel. My name's Maria, and my passion is sharing ways to get creative in your home. If you like home DIYs and other types of creative inspiration, please hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell right now, so that way you'll know when my next video goes up. The final step for these is to start at the top of a wooden skewer and attach with a little bit of hot glue. Then wrap the paper around the stick at an angle. Secure at the end with a dot of hot glue. You could display these in a simple vase with some other paper flowers, or glue them to a mat in an open frame or shadow box to create a unique piece of wall art. This third flower might be my favorite, but it is the most time consuming. You will need one of these hole punches. I will link the one that I got in the description box below. I think it was only around $10, so worth it. And then you'll also need these plastic baseballs from Dollar Tree. I cut a bunch of these scallop-edged circles with my hole puncher and then used a bamboo stick to fold them up. I added a dollop of hot glue, and I found that using the skewer to push them onto the ball really helped guide them into place. Look how much bigger it got after adding all the paper. I think these book balls kind of look like hydrangeas, and they are just really substantial and look so good for extra decor on a bookshelf or in a bowl. I just love these so much. Let me know in the comments section below which of these flowers you're liking and if you're gonna make any of them. This last flower is really easy, even though it ended up looking really complex when it was done. First, I measured the edge of my book pages. It was 5 inches, so I measured down the side 5 inches for a perfect square. I didn't need to mark this because you can just note where the line of text is and use that copy as a guide for cutting. Create a triangle by folding the page in half. Then fold up each corner to make a diamond shape. I used my nails to kind of smash the paper down and get a really good crease on there. Then I flattened out those last 2 pieces that we folded in. Then I folded the pointy tips back and tucked them in on both sides. Then I folded each of those shapes from outside in. A line of hot glue to close this up, and this will be one of 5 petals for this flower. After you have all 5 petals, use a strip of glue to put them together. You can leave it like this or add a button or bead to the middle if you want to dress it up. These look very elegant displayed in a bowl, or you could add these as a bookshelf decor. You could even add a bamboo stem and put these in a vase for a very pretty paper flower bouquet. If you liked these paper flowers and upcycling, then you might like this video where I made fabric flowers with an old pair of jeans. And there's a little subscribe button right over here, so make sure to click on that before you go so you'll know when my next video goes up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.